Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to update your bio in Meta AI? You can change it in just a few simple steps. This helps make your profile more personal and complete. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Next, tap View Profile. Here, select Edit Profile. You will see the Bio field. Tap the Bio text box and enter your new bio. You can write a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you want people to know. After making your changes, tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Once saved, your new bio will be updated on your profile. This helps keep your profile more personal and complete. And that's how to change your bio in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.